That's a place?
Yeah. Well, there's a ride for it at Epcot.
Stevie, why are you jumping?
Oh,
They're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming.
nice.
Joey, 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 Joey. Hey, bro, bro. We're going to A, bro.
Yes. Yes, Daddy.
Blocking sight.
Hey,
Now you call your brother daddy.
hey,
Well, that's
hey,
technically my father, but you know what?
hey,
Man.
hey.
Blocking sight.
Hey, I'm gonna go to their spawn and shit, but if you want to bait, whatever.
Yeah.
I gotta heal. I gotta heal.
Healing.
Oh, bitch, you fucking died. Ma, I tried to get you, ma, but
Yo, God, bro.
One enemy
Yo,
remaining.
nice shots. With the
oh, thank you. Help! I have 5
Last player.
health. No, Joey.
I panicked when you had it.
Jeremy, your outfit is so extra tonight. It's because of the character Killjoy. I need to put a picture of her because people are gonna come in and be like, "What the fuck is he wearing?"
Also, the chamber is,
Together,
section.
we will bury them.
No, I don't think they know. A lot of these people use these flags and they don't know what they mean.
Trolls.
That's why they're called like Sherbert card.
What he's using is mint.
Mint. He's like, I love chocolate chip mint ice cream. Anxious, how are you doing? Welcome in tonight. 15 days left, so you got lots of time. I plan on buying all the Phoenix shit. I got a lot of shit to buy in a bunch of games.
Excuse me?
You want to play? Let's play.
I mean, I like it, but I don't get the reference, so yeah, it's just a little much. It's a character I'm playing in this game right now.
Please.
Don't run out with the spike, mama.
There's two of them laying there. Oh no. Oh no.
Kill.
No way.
Fuck you, fat.
Oh my god, run.
Fuck you, Nilla.
Go, go, go.
Oh, no. Fuck. Yummy, how are you? How are you doing?
No. No.
Last player
No.
Oh
standing.
my
Spike
god.
down mid.
Hold on, let me find Killjoy so Anxious knows who we are.
Joey, I'm
I
gifting
got
you
spike.
all league skins to
Gotta
get
go.
this.
What?
I'm gifting you all of the remaining league
Out of
skins you need.
charges.
30 seconds left.
Oh, you got money like that?
Fuck it.
Running low.
No.
Oh. Alright,
Just
well,
give them all
he's
stuff.
gonna give you an Amazon Prime free skin.
Mm-hmm.
4, bitch, 4!
Forward.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on, let me put it up here.
Spike planted. Here we go.
Who can I run to?